Welcome to the Explainer. If you've ever felt like your credit score is just this mysterious number that's totally out of your control, this one is for you. We're going to break down exactly how you can take charge and improve your score, all by yourself. So, you might be thinking, isn't fixing your credit some long, complicated process? Well, what if I told you it doesn't have to be? A lot of people feel overwhelmed. But the truth is, a few key actions can make a real, noticeable impact, sometimes in as little as a month. Seriously, you don't have to wait years to see a change. Okay, first things first. If you're gonna fix your score, you've got to know what it's actually made of. It's not some secret, unknowable thing. It's really just a formula. And once you know the ingredients, you can start mastering the recipe for a better score. Now, take a look at this. It's not an even split at all, right? A whopping 65% of your entire score comes down to just two things: your payment history and how much you owe. And honestly, that's fantastic news. It means if you want to make a big impact fast, you know exactly where to focus all your energy. Okay, this right here, this is the secret to getting a fast results. Your payment history is super important, of course, but you can't go back in time and change the past. What you can change right now is your credit utilization. And since lenders usually report your balances to the bureaus every single month, this one action can give your score a boost in as little as 30 days. So what exactly is this ratio? Well, it's not just about the total dollar amount of your debt. It's about how much you owe compared to your total credit limit. Lenders see a high utilization as a big red flag for financial stress, and anything over that 30% mark really starts to hurt your score. And this table just lays it all out so clearly. Look at that. The same exact $1,000 credit limit can tell two completely different stories. Just by dropping your balance from $800 to $300, you go from looking like a high-risk borrower to a pretty good one in the eyes of the credit bureaus. All right, so now you get the why behind all this. Let's jump into the how. These are the high-impact strategies you can start using today to see a real boost in your score in the next 30 to 60 days. Here are three really powerful moves you can make. So, paying down your balance is the obvious one, but here's a pro tip. Pay it before your statement closing date. That's the date the lower balance gets reported. The other two methods are pretty clever ways to lower your ratio without even paying down debt, like simply asking for a limit increase or becoming an authorized user on someone else's account that's in good standing. And I mean, just look at this. By making a simple phone call to your credit card company and getting your limit increased, you can instantly cut your utilization ratio in half. You didn't spend an extra dime on payments. It's easily one of the most effective quick fixes out there. Okay, next up, become a credit detective. You would be absolutely shocked at how common mistakes are on credit reports. I'm serious. An account that isn't even yours, or a payment that's marked late when you know you paid on time, that could be the single biggest thing holding your score down right now. And don't worry, the process is actually super straightforward and it's free. You can get your reports every single week from annualcreditreport.com. If you spot something that looks wrong, you just file a dispute online with each bureau. By law, they have to investigate it, usually within 30 to 45 days. So what's the reward for all this detective work? It can be huge. We're talking about removing one single major error, like a payment that was wrongly reported as late, and seeing your score jump by as much as 120 points. All it might take is uploading a bank statement as proof. All right, here's a final quick boost, and it's one a lot of people miss. Think about all the bills you already pay on time every month. Your utilities, your rent, maybe even your streaming services. That good behavior usually doesn't even get reported to the credit bureaus. But what if it could? Well, turns out it can. There are free services out there like Experian Boost that can link to your bank account and add all that positive payment history to your Experian credit file. It works instantly, and on average, users get an increase of about 12 points. Not bad for just a few clicks. Okay, so quick wins are awesome for getting that momentum going, but lasting financial health, that's all about building solid habits. So let's shift gears and talk about the strategies that are going to protect and grow your score for years to come. This right here, this is the absolute golden rule of credit. Nothing, and I mean nothing, matters more than paying your bills on time every single time. The impact of just one missed payment is staggering. It can drop your score by over 100 points, wiping out months or even years of your hard work. The easiest way to avoid this? Just set up automatic payments. Building good credit really is a marathon, not a sprint. If you have any serious issues, like accounts and collections, try to negotiate. You might be able to agree to pay it off in exchange for them removing the negative mark from your report.
And beyond that, you want to show lenders you can handle a mix of different credit types. And whatever you do, please don't close your old credit cards. That history is valuable.
Whew, we have covered a ton of ground here. So let's boil all of this down into your immediate action plan so you can get started like today. Look, if you do absolutely nothing else, focus on these three things. They directly address the two biggest pieces of your score, how much you owe and your payment history. And they're going to give you the biggest possible return for your effort, period. Because at the end of the day, fixing your credit isn't just about trying to get a lower interest rate on a car loan. It's really about writing a whole new chapter in your financial story, one that's about control and confidence and new opportunities. And the best part? The power to change that story is entirely in your hands.